Hello there. In this video, I will give you an overview of session host backstage controls. Let's get started. From your event dashboard, simply click on this enter event button and you will be led inside your event. Now click on this go backstage button to go to your backstage. The virtual backstage is similar to the real life backstage wherein the event organizer, speakers or hosts can privately connect with each other or set up the event before the event starts. And while on the backstage, you have the following controls. First is view schedule. You can simply click on it and see all the sessions that are inside this event. In case there are many sessions, you can also find them by their names, or you can also filter the session by their types. And here you will see the back arrow, which will lead you back to the social lounge. It will also indicate that you are in the backstage. The session has not yet started, the name of the session, and when the session starts. Now at the bottom, we have the speaker chat. If you simply click on it, you will see this section. In speaker chat, the host and the speakers who are in the backstage or live stage can privately chat with each other without including the attendees. Now coming on to the show on stage or hide stage feature, if you simply click on it, you will see all the stage participants, that is session hosts, co-hosts, speakers, etc. You can hide the people who are on the stage by clicking on hide from stage. And once hidden, you can show them on the stage again by clicking on show on stage. This feature is helpful when you want to hide the speakers who are not currently speaking on the stage and highlight the speakers who are speaking. While on the stage, you can also turn on your camera and mic. You can also share your screen by clicking on the share screen button. Simply click on it. And then you can choose to share your screen or PDF. While sharing your screen, it will also ask you if you are playing a video. If you are doing so, you can toggle this button on. If not, then you can keep it off. Now you can also click on the three dot icon and manage the co-host for this session, that is adding co-host, removing co-host, etc. You can also click on apply stage backdrop and apply the backdrop if you would like to. Backdrops are really helpful if you want to beautify your session, or you can also add promotional contents to your backdrop. Now the third settings is audio and video settings. Let's say if you ever have any audio video issues, or if you want to set up your virtual background, then you can simply click on audio video settings and set up your camera or microphone or your speaker from here. From the camera section, you can also select the virtual background. You can also add blur. You can remove the virtual background anytime by clicking on here, or you can also upload your own virtual background by clicking on here and upload your virtual background image. Once done, click on save and you're good to go. Now, while on the backstage, you will also see this record session toggle. This is enabled by default, and if you keep it turned on, your live sessions will be recorded. But if you do not want to record the sessions, then you can simply toggle this off. You can also use these layouts, that is grid view and active speaker view, to highlight the speakers on the stage. Depending on your internet bandwidth, you can also click on here and select the different stream resolution to view the session. Now, if you're facing any issues, then you can simply click on facing problems and check your system to find if there is any issue with your system. While on the backstage, you also have many controls on the RHS side. Click on People tab to view the event participants. In the message section, you will see the direct messages sent out by the event participants. Or if you go to your settings, then you will be able to customize your event by clicking on here and selecting all these customizations. You can also update your profile. You can also set up your audio and video settings from here itself. If in case you close your event dashboard, that is this page, then you can simply click on dashboard and go to that page easily. You can also change the language of the text that you see inside the event. This will only change for you and not for anyone else. Or you can also log out. And just below that, we have this manage section. Click on videos to view all the pre-recorded video that you have added for this session. You can click on this play button to play this video on the stage. And you can also have many activities inside your sessions by clicking on here and embedding the donor box, Kahoot, Typeforms, or iframe plugins. Now coming on to the chat section, this is where all the event participants will be chatting inside the session. You can also create polls and save the polls as a draft and publish it when the session goes live, or you can also publish the polls right away. Now coming on to the breakout rooms. The breakout rooms can be used when the session is live, but while on the backstage, you can click on create new breakout and upload the list of participants in a CSV format if you want particular participants to be under particular rooms. And lastly, if you want to hide this section out here, then you can simply click on this hide panel and it will drop to the bottom Or if you want it to be reshown, then you can simply click on it again and it will be shown again. Once you are done with all the settings and setup, and when you are ready, you can simply click on the Start Session button to start your session and go live. You can also click on this full screen button to go full screen anytime. Hope you found this overview helpful. Thank you for watching.